Good afternoon. I'd like to update you on where we stand with our 125th anniversary annual meeting and OTO experience scheduled for Los Angeles, California, October 3rd to the 6th, 2021. Our first priority has been and will continue to be the safety of all of our attendees, their families, staff, and the local participants who help us put this wonderful show on. We've been following data from a number of sources for several months and continue to do so. These include the CDC, State of California, City of Los Angeles, as well as our experiences with back to the office and back to surgery. We feel it's very important that we act as a leader on how to safely coexist with COVID while being able to do what's possible. Just as returning to the office, returning to surgery, we want to be able to do those things but be safe. As a result of this, I went with our meetings team last weekend to Los Angeles, California to visualize on the ground what it was really like. We were all very impressed by Los Angeles in the fact that their citizens were following regulations, they were wearing masks, distancing. I even saw 2 dogs with masks on. We also then went to the convention center, the hotels, restaurants, and the airport, and all of those had extensive policies and procedures with precautions meant to provide the greatest safety for all participants in their events. We noted that LA currently has a vaccination policy and an indoor mask policy. As you're aware, our own policy includes mandatory vaccination with indoor masks. After reviewing the site, we also added spacing in the education rooms, dining areas, and all of the spots where people could be too close. LA was able to accommodate us with that request. We also asked that all staff working with us at the meeting, which included the convention center and the hotels, all be vaccinated and wearing masks. One of the things that we thought was impressive was the natural response to every place we went to follow the rules that were in place, and no one seemed to be worried about them. So in conclusion, we feel that Los Angeles has done all they can do to provide a safe environment. And we feel that we can hold this meeting very safely as long as people follow the rules. We will continue to monitor the COVID situation both in Los Angeles and elsewhere in the country and world. And if things change, we'll be able to make adjustments based on that. In the meantime, I look forward to seeing those of you who can make it to Los Angeles. And if you can't, please join us on our new virtual platform powered by Juno. The meeting will be fabulous either way. Thank you very much, and if any further questions, just contact us at Academy headquarters. Thank you.